kind of feeling under the weather. Parang magkakasakit ako or may sakit ako. Pero, may dumating na malaking package. Ayan siya. So, I'm not really sure if ito ba yung nag-chat sa akin na publisher. Itong Chronicle Books. Ayan. Wait lang. Chronicle Books. And they told me they'll be sending me some books. So, hopefully ito na siya. Kasi that was, ano pa, last week pa yata. Wow! Look! Whoa! Wow! Ang ganda ng cover, oh. These are 3 books sa isang package. Ah! So, we have... Ay, buksan na natin to. Wow! Oh! Look at the spine covers! So fun. Hindi ko talaga na-expect na nag-message sila sa akin nakaraan. Kaya mag-send daw ng mga books. And I didn't expect na like from publisher mismo send sa akin ng book. Grabe. Whoa! So we have Robert Louis Stevenson's Treasure Island. Let's appreciate the cover. Wow! I love. Super love. And I love the quality. Bango. Yes, we have a purple one. This is H.G. Wells' The Sea Lady. Perfect because I've been wanting to have an H.G. Wells book. Ang ganda. Super. I'll post about it immediately sa IG story ko. Thank them. And then, last one is the 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea by Jules Verne. Love, super love. Thank you so much. I'll definitely buy like yung gantong edition. Ang ganda, super ng quality. Love it. This is my current, kung mauna yung spring cleaning ko or yung decluttering ko, then, alam niyo na kung ba't ganyan yung itsura niya. Ano kaya ba? Oh, I could read. Hindi ko pa kasi ayos tong mga to eh. You know, yung mga Hindi ko lang saan kasi nilalagay. I could read a Toni Morrison book pala. What if? Or, ano pa ba meron? Or I'm also thinking about yung The Man Who Was Thursday. And yung ex-wife. Hindi pa din ako tapos ex-wife. Kaya. Kasi, yung The Man Who Was Thursday. What is it about pa? Tingnan natin. In the strange hunting novel of anarchist and undercover policeman, Gabriel is sent by Scotland Yard to infiltrate Central Council and soon finds himself voted to the position of Thursday. But he still has to face a great thirst that the council has to lead their Sunday. Best spy book ever written though. Okay. Pwede naman. Why not? So, it is the next day. So far, paano ba? Mostly focused lang talaga siya sa political aspect ng anarchists versus the government. So, mga anarchists are very against the hierarchy or structure. Or mismo siguro yung mismo authority, ganyan. Which is so weird kasi sila din naman inside. Meron din silang authority. So, I'm not really sure kung ano yung definition talaga. I mean, like, wait lang. Ayoko magsalita kasi kakagising ko lang kung baka ano masabi ko. Pero anyways. I am, sabi sa Goodreads 60% na yata ako. Kasi I'm on page 1, 2, 3. Like, lahat sila. Ano ba ito mga to? It's kind of frustrating because medyo hindi ko nagugustuhan yung repetitive na shock. value, I guess. Because if it keeps on happening, it's not shocking anymore. This is so random. Bakit biglang nagkaroon ng elephant? As in, sobrang... Ha? Okay. Tapos na yata ako. Yan, tapos na ako. Okay, I want to use or choose my words carefully kasi hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya i-convey. But so far, it was a very fast read, as in super fast ng read niya. I think it will only take you like 3 hours to finish. Hindi pa nababasa ng any reviews or thoughts ng iba so that I can convey yung thoughts ko sa kanya more clearly. Kasi from a literary point of criticism, ganyan. Pero, ang ganda naman ng concept. Ayos na ayos siya, pero unang-una pa lang, hindi ko na nagustuhan yung writing. There was just something about the writing itself, and I stuck through it kasi almost kung tinigil after 3 pages pa lang. But I stuck through it kasi na-interest ako dun sa nagkaroon sila ni promise ni Gregory, yung unang character. And then all throughout the book, parang nag-expect ka na something na, you know, normal sa book na parang, okay, so what's the hindi naman plot twist, pero like, what's the gist? Or parang ano yung purpose nito? And I didn't have that. Parang, okay, may mga politics or may philosophical, political humor, ganyan. Cultural pessimism, daw. Ganyan, chuchu. I just didn't really like the execution, I guess. Like, parang, hindi ko maintindihan biglang nagkaroon ng elephant, ng chasing sa zoo. Yung parang, ano nangyayari? I didn't get anything from this. Parang, I don't want to say it's a complete waste of time because I think it's still an interesting read. It's a refreshing read, I guess, kasi parang hindi ako sanay sa mga librong ganito na parang hindi naman sa wala kang mapapala, pero parang it's not as well executed na parang it leaves a bad taste medyo sa akin. Ngayon parang medyo bitter ako sa kanya. Parang, ano ba yan? Anong nangyari? Ba't ito na lang yung nangyari? It was okay. It was okay lang. So, I'm thinking of picking up my next read kasi mamaya pa ata kami may gagawin. And I want to use my Saturday all day to read. Okay, so, friends, we're finally starting a Jane Austen book. I think, di ko sure ko ito yung pinakauna kong libro, pero parang ito yata yung pinakauna kong libro sa kanya, which is, I know it's a crime sa ating mga readers ng classic na ngayon pa lang mag-start ng Jane Austen na libro. But, I borrowed this book from my sister, so ito yung signature classics. Ba to? Union Square and Company na signature classics na version ng Emma. And it's a very big book, which is, nagulat ako kasi kala ko short book lang siya. But it's very long book. So, good luck to me. Sana ma-pick up ko siya ng maganda today. Since gusto ko maging productive reading day to day. Kasi I've only been reading few books this month compared sa mga previous months ko. So, let's go. Diba? Bagong hair mask. Chewbacca Premium. Chewbacca Premium hair mask. Emma Woodhouse. Handsome, clever, and rich with a comfortable home. Ha? So, si Emma lalaki?
Is it?
Ito na. Emma Woodhouse. Handsome, clever, and rich. So, lalaki siya.
Oh my gosh. Maybe it's just a handsome girl.
Oh! Had lived nearly 21 years in the world with very little to distress or vexed her. So, she's a girl.
Just a handsome one.
Pwede ba yun?
Yes.
Oh, she was the youngest of the two daughters. So, she's a girl.
Oh, yeah.
Damn. I thought it was a guy.
Same.
Ayan siya. Alam ko na kung ano to. And I'm very excited to open this kasi super maganda to. Well, sana. Sa personal maganda siya. Ito na siya. Okay, let's see. Diba? Super cute. This is a trinket dish. And yung design niya is sinigang with ingredients. Meron actually na iba adobo. I don't know kung ano pa yung ibang Filipino. Basta alam ko may adobo. Pero syempre, sinigang girl. And I don't like adobo. So, this is a perfect trinket dish. Kasi yung design din niya parang very vintage art style na drawing, like yung hand-drawn. So, I really, really love it. Ganda, di ba?
Yeah.
It's so cute. I have the perfect trinket dish. Oh, they even have like the recipe of the sinigang. This is from Chef Reggie Asperas. And the store is Casa Juan and Chef Reggie na collab. So, oh, diba? Meron pa akong recipe ng sinigang na nakuha. Work! Bongga. Love it. Yee, I'm so happy! Super cute niya. Punta kami ngayon ng APC. Sakto pala pinasa ko yung claiming stop namin sa fun run. So baka dumaan kami mamayang festival. Tapos wala lang, date lang, ganyan lang sila. Yes! Tagal na rin nagka-OH. Ito yung suggest namin palagi. Super sagap ng may kasama ganito.
Galing nila doon.
Dito naman kami sa Manila Creme. Sige, kung gusto mo ito eh.
Baka mamaya kasi...
Hindi, edi order lang tayo ng bisco kung gusto mo ng bisco. I forgot to update. Basically, ito yung outfit ko na suot ko ngayon. And we're gonna eat. Siyempre, favorite namin, Manila Creme.
Okay, ate, bilugin mo ba? Sige ba, bilugin mo yan. Daya, mas malaki.
So, yung cookies and juice. Basic. It's not good?
It's good, but I cannot explain.
Straight to classics. Hello. Classics na tayo kagad. Tinay ko yung ano yun, sticky dates na body spray. Wala siyang caramel, super. So, pero hindi ko pa siya masyadong super trip. Para mas mabango pa din yung gamit ko ngayon na perfume. Hinanap ko yung Jane Eyre dito. Sana meron. Kaso wala. Ito lang nakita ko. Gusto kong bilhin na Penguin Classics na Pride and Prejudice ni Jane Austen. Gusto na yung Jane Eyre. My girl. Init dito? Oh, this is your bebe.
Tingnan. Yung seri-sari yan eh.
I wanna read it. Sabi nila this is
Ilang page?
one of the greatest novel of all time daw.
The Count of Monte Cristo. Yung may movie yan, panoorin na lang yung movie.
1,200
Ilang days
pages.
na yung ganyan?
Yung sa Brothers Karamazov, 800 pages yun eh.
Ilang araw?
3 araw, buong araw.
Buong araw.
Siguro ito mga isang linggo.
So isang taon, ilang days meron?
365 days.
Isang page, isang araw, hindi kaya.
Grabe naman isang page. Oh, that's so cute. Ito na kami sa Festi. Nadaan muna kami ng Asian. Bago kami pumunta Festi to claim the front kids. Tapos, sana may makita kami doon if ever na specialist or what. Tumitingin ako ngayon ng lotion. Kaso wala yung abon na nila na parang may arbutin. Which is yun yung nakakaputi. So, I'm gonna have to look for others pa. Parang gusto kong bumay ng Vaseline na naman eh. Pero yung, hindi ko sure kung mas maganda yellow or tong pink. Then, currently looking for baby shampoo. Kasi wala na akong baby shampoo. Ito, body care. Naghanap din ako ng body scrub na Dove. Kasi yung ginagamit ko. Kasi parang wala yata din sa mga drugstore eh. Parang gusto ko magkulay ng hair talaga. Gusto yung gatong kulay. Soft brown. Kasi hindi ako marunong magkulay ng buhok. Kasi never pa ako nakatry ng mga ganito. This one's nice also. Pero mas gusto ko to. $4.89. No. Milky bun roll and ano to, mahal? Almond something.
Roasted almond bun.
Roasted almond bun. Wow, it's so pretty also. This one. Ba't sa inyo?
Sa atin siguro.
Okay, nasa bahay na kami. And, ito lang yung haul ko for today. Ay, hindi ko na napakita yung binili kong Johnson's na lotion and then Dove na baby shampoo. Kasi wala silang Johnson's baby shampoo doon for some reason. Landmark pa yun ah. So, in-expect ko may Johnson's doon. Pero feel ko siguro sa Watson's, I'm sure ko. Ito yung book which you already know. Earlier. Ayan. This is Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. Kasi, yung Emma, parang, hindi ako maka-pull through sa kanya for after 3 chapters. Parang, hindi ko pa na-feel Emma. So, I figured I'd start with Pride and Prejudice, which is yun yung pinaka-kailan ni Jane Austen. Para tingnan natin kung magugustuhan ko talaga yung writing niya, since para sureball na talaga na ito yung magandang isimula sa kanya. Doon na tayo sa pinaka-best work niya. And hindi naman kasi ako new sa classic, so figured I'd start with this one. And I really love the cover. Wala lang Jane Eyre doon, sayang. Gusto ko sana basahin Jane Eyre sa Wuthering Heights. As in, yun yung pinaka-top one kung gusto mong basahin yun, Wuthering Heights, with the penguin cover. I'm still pretty happy with this. Kasi hindi ko nakita to nung nag-GGC kami. So, thank you naman so much, ATC. Fully book. Tapos yung 20% kong discount, hindi naman masyadong malaki yung discount. Ay, 10% lang pala. Parang nabawas na ata mga 50, ganyan. Pero, ayun, yun lang yung bilhin namin for today. Yung chicken tenders, mas masarap pa din yung mild na spicy level kaysa sa naked. Kasi naked parang wala talagang lasa. And yan na pala yung sapatos ko pala na heels. Like, yung kitten heels. Sinuot ko siya pauwi para i-try. Good siya, comfy siya. I think I could work with that. So, ayun. Wait, I forgot. Ito yung binili kong lotion. Tignan nyo guys, ina-abuse ako. Ako yung nasa lapag, tapos siya yung nasa kama. Ito yung binili kong lotion. Kasi, nag-isip talaga ako ng lotion na for tulog or sa bahay lang. Inisip ko sa bahay, yung sa Vaseline. Yung yellow or yung pink na ginamit ko ng yellow na karaan. Pero I'm thinking like yung mga ganitong baby lotion, maybe for pantulog. Since, hindi siya full of chemicals, harsh chemicals. Kasi nga pang baby siya. So, alam niyo, mas prefer ko siya if ever. Milk and rice yung kinuha ko. Para mabango. Love it. Nice purchase. Anyways, matutulog na kami kasi may run kami tomorrow. 5:30 kami. Aalis siguro. Para hindi din masyadong maaraw if ever. Sana hindi umulan. Kagaya na nakaraan. So, we're gonna sleep. Good morning. Dapat kanina matutulog kami ulit eh. Yeah, we were so sleepy. Sabi ko, discipline. No. Yes, sabay Milo. Ito yung reward ko talaga eh. Love it. Punta kami na naman sa labang. Kasi, dapat uwi na si Emmett kanina. Nagkaya kami kumain. Then, isip namin, punta kami sa Kaukay, our favorite pansit. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung anong kakain namin. Ayaw naman mag-Tajimaya kasi hindi naman kami super gutom.
Maganda may kasama.
May Pride and Prejudice na wow! Magaling po.
Magaling po. Luwi natin.
Okay. I forgot. Just try it.
Let's go.
Ha?
Ice cream again, let's go.
Charming name in her. Elizabeth listened in silence, but was not convinced. Their behaviour at the assembly had not been calculated to please in general, and with more quickness of observation and less pliancy of temper than her sister, and with a judgment too unassailed by any attention to herself, she was very little disposed to approve them.
What happened, Bella? So the day after ng Bora, kahapon yung Bora namin, and Emani's here. It's just there. And I have a few parcels to open. Habang-haba na tulog ko kanina. Kasi kulang nga yung tulog ko for the past few days sa Bora. Kasi sinusulit namin yung dapat and everything. Yay! Kay Wingman. Bluetooth na ano. AUX. So, thank you. Ito siya. I got the Umbret. Let's see if it smells good. Okay. 100. Diba? Ang haba nung ano? Saka yun nga, kasi parang di ma-irritate yung ano ko. Bunbunan ko, if ever. Pakita ko sa inyo yung vest ko na pang run din. Kasi bumili ako ng vest pang run para sa 10K. Kasi yung phone ko lagi kong hawak. Ayan siya. Wait.
That's my fiance.
It's currently 5:30 na yata. 5:30 a.m. So... Yan yung wallet sa likod ko.
Baka mahulog natin.
Para kung alam mo yung bata sa school, yung papasok, yun, no?
He's putting your belt on.
Yeah! Okay, start to. Kailangan nakabukas.
Hindi siya magkoconnect. Eh, pinatay ko kanina, nakabukas patay.
Hindi, I mean yung pag i-upload mo, or sa Apple Watch, pwede may import yung ano. Nakalagay yun sa settings. For 7K and then mga tol, tsaka mga sabay Milo. Tayo. Yum. Maghanap kami ng lunch. Inisip ko nga Only Wings eh. Kasi mayroong na-recommend yung friend kong friend ko, sabi niya mayroong around doon. Isa tinakbo namin na masarap na Only Wings. So, let's see if open sila kasi maliligo na ako kagad. Kasi medyo naambunan na kayo. Okay. Diba, ang dami kong inaalaga ang anak.
Run. Sabing ganun.
Run for me, Run.
Hindi ba? Tignan mo, yun yung sound. Pakinggan mo kasi, yun nga yun. Hindi ba run for me, run? Pating...
Ayan na, root beer float ang order kami. Tikman mo nga.
Ice cream or what?
Yung root beer. Patihan yung master yung kanan ng sure. Ano siya? Pag hindi masarap, babalikan ko to sa Eddie. Sarap. Okay lang.
Simple lang mo. Ano sa yung chicken mo? Itong rice. Ako, gusto ko.
Ikaw nang gusto mo. May cookies and cream na may tao.
Saan?
Ayun o.
Ha? Sarap to?
I don't know. Eh, kung gusto mo cookies and cream. Karami! Ah! Wait. Melana!
Nari di ba bukas?
Kunyari low-key. Kunyari ano? Kunyari soft lunch.
Ano magkakamat tayo dito?
Private. Doon na lang sa dining.